Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. When the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine, when Russia attacked Ukraine, there was a huge fall on the chart of GBP USD, and globally we saw a crisis. Markets around the world crashed. But when USA and NATO imposed, many European countries imposed sanctions on Russia, there was a hope in the world that this war will end soon, and as a result, we saw some recovery on the global market as well. Markets around the world recovered. In fact, Euro USD also recovered, but we did not see the recovery on GBP USD. Okay, we can see that GBP USD is trying to go up, but it does not have the strength. It did not recover like Euro USD did, or the stock markets around the world did. So as a result, we can say one thing very clearly, that GBP USD is still under pressure here. So you can see that I have made a bearish flag pattern here. So as this market is extremely sensitive to news right now, so I think that there is still a possibility of market going down. So whatever it is, my dear friends, this market is extremely volatile, very sensitive. So please follow strict risk management and do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital right now. And one more thing I would like to say, and that is keep in touch with the news, because this market is very news sensitive. Okay, do not forget that. So if any bad news comes up, then obviously market will start going down, breaking the flag again. So in that case, you can take a sell position if market breaks the flag and starts going down. But as long as market is trading between these two lines or in this flag range, I'll request you not to trade on GBP USD, because my dear friends, if you are a trader, then there are multiple pairs available in the market. Gold is there, GBP JPY is there, Euro USD is there. You can trade on other pairs. When you are not getting a clear indication from the chart of GBP USD, then I think that it's better to avoid that chart. So on Monday, let's observe GBP USD and see where it is heading. If we see that GBP USD is not giving us any clear picture, then I think that it's better to avoid GBP USD until and unless we get a clear picture from it. But if any news comes out and if GBP USD breaks the flag and starts going down, then definitely we can take a sell position. My dear friend, I would like to mention one level here, that is 1.3270. This level will be very critical. In case market starts falling, if we see a fresh selling in the market, then I think that 1.3270 will have a crucial role to play as the most important support in this market right now. If market goes down, then we have a good possibility of market bouncing from 1.3270. If market bounces, well and good, we can take a buy position. But if market breaks it, because we don't know, okay, because market is very volatile right now. If market breaks it, then obviously there will be selling. Okay, but as of now, let's hope that things will be over soon, things will become normal soon, and if market goes down, we will get a good support around this level. And again, I'm saying, if market breaks the flag and starts going down, we can take a sell. But as long as market is trading between these two lines, my dear friends, please do not trade, because we do not have a clear picture here. Okay, you should be loyal to your capital, not towards any particular pair. Yeah. And if I move to a lower time frame like 1 hour chart, then also I do not get any clear picture. Okay, but if I take you to the weekly chart, okay, in the weekly chart, let me remove the drawings first. See, in the weekly chart, we just have a resistance at the top. Okay, resistance at the top, and it is at 1.364. That's far away. So nothing from the weekly as well as the hourly chart. So my dear friends, stick to the plan, only trade when the opportunity will be right. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.